How to make a call on Telegram group. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video and today I'll let you guys know how can you make a call on Telegram group. So in order to make a call on Telegram group, you need to follow these simple steps. First thing, you have to go and open up your Telegram application. So this is how it's gonna look like. After which you wanna go ahead and open up the chat page of the particular group where you actually want to go ahead and make a call. So this is the one. Now after which what you want to do is click the three dot icon from the top right. So after which you want to go to the profile and tap on the three dot icon, and there you could see the drop down menu. So under which you could also find this option as start video call. Now you could go ahead and press that, and here you could see that either you could schedule a video chat or you could either start a video call. If you want to go ahead and make it a call, just a normal simple call, then you just need to turn off the camera. So you could see this is how it works. Now if you want to end the call, just tap on the plus button to be able to make a call on Telegram group. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.